First of all, I would suggest you to open your Windows search and type in Control Panel so that you can open the Control Panel app, and then open the Network and Internet section, open Network and Sharing Center, and then first of all we're going to reset our reset our adapter or network adapter. In order to do this, look at the left side on these 4 links. We need to click on the second one, Change Adapter Settings. And then a window looking something like this should open, and here we've listed our network adapters, and then just doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. In my case, I'm just going to I'm using Ethernet. Right click on your network adapter, click on Disable, and then we can already check on the bottom right corner that our internet access is not there anymore. And then if we've waited a few seconds, we can already activate it again. Quick note, in order to do this, you need to have administrator rights, so just make sure that you have them on your current user, and then click on Enable again. And then this might take a few moments to re-identify and connect to the network again, but don't worry, just takes a few seconds to do that. Perfect, our internet access is back. We can already close this window here, and then back in the Network and Sharing Center, click on this on a connections link here. And again, in my case Ethernet, but doesn't matter if you're using Wi-Fi. Just click on this link here, click on Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, click again on Properties, and then make sure that you select the second option down here. Instead of obtain DNS server address, automatically use the following DNS server addresses, and then just type in 4 times the 8 for the preferred DNS server, and 2 times the 8 and 2 times the 4 for alternate DNS server, and then just click on OK. You can also pause this video if you need some time. This is the official Google DNS, just to let you know. Click on OK, click on Close, and click on Close, and that's already it. The issue should be fixed now. Really hope this helped you guys. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If not, just also leave a comment and I'll write you back as soon as possible, and we will truly find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.